Hello, I'm Jay. I live and teach conversational American English in Japan. I started English Life to help others learn American English pronunciation. In this lesson, I'd like to teach you the sound with the letters AR, ER, IR, OR, and UR. Many of my students here in Japan find this sound very difficult. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. So sit back and get ready to learn together. Let's give it a try. Dollar, burglar, calendar. Letter, river, teacher. Bird, girl, shirt. Doctor, sailor, conductor. Purple, surfer, turtle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. I upload videos every week, so stay tuned and see you again real soon. Goodbye.